Welcome to the 10 Pro demo, where we're going to see a brief showcase of the product. This first prototype is based off an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, 3 DS18-bit20 temperature sensors and two 20mm fans. Here we can see the breadboard and the Arduino Uno. This particular model is the R4 Wi-Fi. Now we're going to see the connection to the three temperature sensors, which are going to be located on the CPU, the GPU and the case. Since this computer doesn't have a GPU, we're going to use this sensor to test temperature reading live. These are the two fans. This one is the exhaust and the other one is the intake. Now back to our main screen. We can see here all the info we need. Current temperature of each sensor, maximum temperature of each sensor on this session, and the speed of the fan. Now let's hold the GPU sensor in our hand. It will raise the temperature and update the readings. See how the maximum temperature is increasing until we leave it. Now let's test the fans. If we use the knob, we can navigate through the menu and select the R section, which corresponds to the case fans. If we click on the knob, we will select it and now we can modify the fan speed. Fan speed varies in multiples of 10. Here we can see the fan going at full speed. If we lower the setting, it will slow down. Now let's reduce the fan speed to its minimum again, and we will click on the knob to unselect the setting. Finally, we turn the knob once more to clean the screen, and that would be all.